Hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Zoom meeting background with your logo. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do the same process from your smartphones as well. Now, here you have to search for Canva Zoom logo. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Just now open this first website that appear right in front of you, which is free Zoom event. Now here you're gonna see the Zoom event logos, multiple available for you to use. You can select any of them and customize them, or you can upload even your own logos on the on this blank template and customize it. And you can directly use them as your background over Zoom meetings. And once you are satisfied with your changes, you can directly save those images as your background, and you can customize them and use them as background for your Zoom meeting. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.